everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize your head on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click a new project. Add the video that you want to edit. This one, click add at the bottom. Now I will show you this is the original body like this, but in here I wanna resize the head, so just click on the video, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see and change this one. Click on it. In here you can click on the shape. In here you can click on a body. Click on it and click on the head size. In here you just swipe left or right for resize your head like this. After this, you can click check icon at the bottom. Finish. So that's how to resize your head on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye-bye.